Hi everyone, this is Michaela from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and today I'm going to be going over the Triton PS replacement parts. In today's agenda, we're going to be going over the top 5 replacement parts for the Triton PS, how you know you may need a new part, and where you can purchase it. Now starting off, we're going to start with its large wheel. So this wheel on the Dolphin Robotic Pool Cleaner is used to help guide your dolphin throughout the surface of the pool smoothly. You may need a replacement if your dolphin stops moving during cleaning operation, your robot is slipping and not performing properly, and dirt and debris on the surface of the pool are not being picked up. Next, we have the wheel bushing. So Maytronics wheel bushings are used to help your Dolphin Robotic Pool Cleaner move smoothly throughout while operating during its cleaning process. You may need a replacement if your wheel bushings are looking a little bit worn, your robot's tracks are slipping during operation, and your dolphin's working at less power and not performing properly. Now we have the rubber strips. Maytronic rubber strips are used to help guide your robot smoothly while providing traction. You may need a replacement if your robot is slipping, your dolphin keeps stopping, dirt and debris are not being picked up, and the strips are beginning to look a little worn. Now we have the Dolphin Robotic tracks. These are used to also help guide your robot smoothly throughout the surface of the pool. You may need a new replacement if your robot tracks are looking loose or worn, your dolphin's not climbing the walls of the pool properly, and it keeps stopping during cleaning operation. And lastly, we have the ultrafine filters. These are accordion-style filters that are best used to clean smaller dirt particles such as sand, silt, or algae. You may need a replacement if dirt and debris are not being picked up, the filter indicator light is on, your dolphin will not run a full cycle, dirt and debris escape from the bottom when you pick up your dolphin, and your dolphin won't climb the walls of the pool and keeps getting stuck. Now, if you're looking to purchase any of these replacement parts, visit us online at easytestpools.com. Thank you for watching.